cold today, guys. Oh man, they're getting Christmas stuff out already. Well, it is the week before Thanksgiving. But it's 65 degrees today here. Well, almost. I think it's 62 or 3 or something. But that is warm enough for me to get out on the bike. So I'm out for a little ride. Feels nice to get back out after it's been so cold. Nothing really important that I'm doing today. Got out of work a little early and just thought I'd enjoy some of the warm air and sunshine and get on the bike. And I might do something else if I find a place to do it. I know I mentioned to you guys about other hobbies and things that I was doing and possibly starting another channel. So I think that's going to happen. The other channel anyway. The other hobby is something that's not related to motorcycles, and a lot of people that are on this channel really probably don't care about it. And so I don't want to have one channel where I do everything. And you know, people are here for motorcycles and KLRs and riding off-road and modifications to the bikes and all that, and I kind of want to keep it at that. Although sometimes it may cross over. Sometimes I may be doing something else, but I may be on the bike to go do it. So like today, if it works out, so yeah. State trooper got somebody. Other hobby is flying, I guess what you guys would consider little toy drones. I've been in the RC hobby for a while. Started out when I was a kid flying gliders with my dad, and moved up to some, you know, small helicopters and things like that. And the last couple of years I kind of worked my way up into what's considered race drones, and these aren't like your DJI Phantoms or even your Mavics. These are build-it-yourself drones, where you put a carbon frame together and motors and a flight controller and your voltage regulators all on, you know, a PCB board, or if it's on one stack, then you've got ESCs for individual motor control and things like that, and you program it through flight software, and you can make it as faster, you know, as acrobatic as you want it. So I'm not a great pilot. There's pilots out there that are just awesome, and that's not me. But I'm learning every day, and I still push myself to fly better and better. So it's something I do in my spare time when I have nice weather and a good place to do it. And yeah, so I might bring you guys along, you know, every now and then. So I guess let me know if you want to see more of that, or if you don't care about it. I mean, you know, obviously it's interesting to me, but that doesn't mean everybody's interested. So I probably will start another channel. Actually, I've already started another channel. I just don't have anything posted yet. And yeah, the other channel is Carbon Icarus FPV for first-person view. carbon relating to the frames that I build. Icarus, I think you know who Icarus was. But I'm going to try not to fly too close to the sun. So if you want to follow me, great. It'd be good to see you guys get interested in it too. But you know, that's up to you.